Hi, I'm Allie Buckman, one of the founders at the Potomac Bead Company, and I wanted to do a little spotlight today to show you things that you may not know, to introduce new products and to make you a better beader. Today I wanted to go over and show you a newer bead that we just got in. This is the Half Silky. So you may know that a lot of things come in halves, that the brick bead, half of that is going to be a bar, and the tila comes in a half tila and now a quarter tila. And now we are also getting the Half Silky bead. So a silky bead, just to show you, is a diamond-shaped bead. In this case, it has a cross on the top, and in the bracelet example here below, it is flat on one side, and then it has this natural ridge. What they did is actually cut the bead almost to make it look like a house, I would say, or a pyramid. And when you're looking at the Half Silkies, they're not actually half as silky. They're more like 3/4 of a silky bead. They're 6 by 8 millimeter versus the 6 millimeter of the regular actual silky bead. So the silkies you can have in table cut, you can have in regular, you can have in cross. And just to start out, we have the Half Silkies in the regular just coatings. There's a number of different colors that have come out, and we'll probably be increasing that as well, from the white teal to the mint to the terracottas, and the most popular in the check coatings. Here it's paired in this bracelet called Jurassic, which Anna designed, with the actual silky bead. So you have your Half Silkies there on the diamond. And when you're looking at it, the hole goes opposite of what you might think. So you may think of the hole as going along that edge or along the side, but just like the silky, it goes opposite the little bump or the little add there at the top. So the hole's going to go out through the side, out through the top, and down. So on the Jurassic bracelet, they fit in really, really nicely next to the actual silky beads, which obviously when one bead is made in a half, or even in this case a 3/4, it's made really to complement its mate, which is the silky versus the Half Silky. They are in tubes, and again they are 6 by 8 millimeter. And the bead that I would most compare it to is one that you may not even know either. This bead is called the roof bead. And the roof bead is the closest thing that I think to that actual Half Silky bead, but it has a little bit of a ridge in it instead of the actual ridge along the end. So I like to do these little spotlights to show you some of the new things that come in, show you how they're designed, how they're used, and the most kind of effective way to use them. We'll come up with some new products and some new tutorials in addition to this Jurassic bracelet to use along with them as well. The idea of these little product spotlight is, again, to make you a better beader and to have you become involved in our community, to help you make educated purchases and know exactly what the materials are in a lot of your favorite YouTube videos. If you want to, you can give a little thumbs up to this Facebook post, or the YouTube video rather, and then you can also tell us what you want to make with it, ask questions there, and suggest other things that you would like to learn to make you a better beader as well. In addition to giving a little thumbs up, you can always subscribe to this YouTube channel for product updates like this, as well as class instructions and design ideas like the Jurassic bracelet. As always, too, you can purchase from me at PotomacBeads.com. Follow a link in the description below if you want to purchase any of these from PotomacBeads.com or PotomacBeads.eu. If you're joining us from the EU, feel free to shop there. And as always, if you want to become more involved, you can join our Facebook group for beading and jewelry making. Show off your designs, show off your examples, and let us know what you are working on as well. Thanks so much for watching, and have fun if you get your hands on some of these half-cut silkies.